Xiaomi Mi 10 smartphone was launched on February 13, 2020. This is 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage variant of Xiaomi, which is available in ice blue, peach gold, titanium silver colors. Official price of Xiaomi in USD is $1,118. Xiaomi is going to bring Mi 10, the standard version of the series. The smartphone is packed with some outstanding features. We have already heard about the Pro variant of the new Xiaomi Mi 10. It will be available in the market in 3 different variants. All of them will offer different storage capacity and different RAMs. The important thing is that the new Xiaomi's Mi 10 will have different sizes of the display screen as compared to the Pro variant, but of them have the same chipset. The chipset that will power the coming handset Xiaomi Mi 10s called Snapdragon 865. This is the latest chipset available for the smartphone in the market. The chipset reveals that the smartphone will be a high-end device. The upcoming Mi 10 by Xiaomi will hit the market with 3 different variants. The first variant will be paired with 8GB of RAM, and the internal storage of this variant will be 128GB. The second variant of the Xiaomi 10 will be paired with 8GB of RAM, and the internal storage here will be 256GB. The third variant of the smartphone is packed with 12GB of RAM, and internal storage of this variant of the Xiaomi Mi's 10 will 256GB. On the back of the smartphone, you will find a quad camera setup with the Sony IMX686 primary camera that is coupled with 108 megapixels ultra-wide lens and 13 megapixels telephoto lens and 5 megapixels macro camera of the Xiaomi Mi 10. The battery of the phone is a massive one. It is fueled with a 4780 mAh battery. But the battery is expected to be heavier than mentioned on the leak. The upcoming smartphone Mi 10 is going to have a tight security system, as it will be packed with an in-display fingerprint reader like most of the Samsung handsets.